My name is Penny Pierce, and I'm the author of a book called Frequency, The Power of Personal Vibration. This book is about the idea that we each have an energy inside of us, and that we're starting to live in an energy world, that we're starting to see each other as energy, and that we each have a vibration. And that if we can control the vibration of our own self and the way we like to feel, that we can start to create a better reality for ourselves. So that instead of matching vibrations in other people who might be victims or feeling negative or kind of lower than we are, and then we lower ourselves, that we hold our own, and that we then create a positive reality for ourselves. So it's like getting out of victimization, and then starting to really understand the idea about how things manifest based on what we choose. That we're not victims of the outside world, that we create our world based on how we choose that we want to feel.